Welcome to Zeo Route Planner. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to set up and use the new custom route report configuration feature. This feature is designed to give you greater control over how your route and delivery data is presented in reports. With custom route report configuration, you can define your preferred report format once, including selected columns, layout, and ordering, save it, and have it automatically applied to all future report downloads. This eliminates the need to reconfigure reports every time and ensures consistency across all exports, whether you are sharing them internally or with clients. Step 1. Open Settings. From your dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. This is where you manage all your account preferences, including your report layout. Step 2. Go to the Reports section. Inside Settings, open the Reports section. Here, you will see both available export formats, Excel/CSV and PDF. Choose the format you want to configure. Step 3. Configure your report format. Click Configure Report to open the customization panel. This is where you define exactly how your reports should look. Configuring Excel/CSV reports. In this section, you will see a complete list of available fields, such as customer details, timing data, delivery notes, route metrics, and more. Here's what you can do. Select the columns you want to include in your spreadsheet. Deselect the fields you don't need, so your report contains only the most relevant information. This configuration will also be applied consistently across daily reports as well as bulk reports, ensuring all exports follow the same structure. As a result, you can generate clean and well-organized spreadsheets that are easy to filter, analyze, and share. Configuring PDF reports. PDF reports require more structure because the page has limited horizontal space. To help you design a clear and readable PDF, the configuration panel gives you multiple controls. Choose the page size. Select from page options like A4 or letter. The paper size determines how many columns can fit without truncation. Select the fields to display. Pick the exact data points you want included. Only selected fields will appear in the final PDF. Drag and drop to arrange the order. Rearrange the fields by dragging and dropping them. This lets you decide which columns appear first, for example, customer name, stop time, delivery status, or proof of delivery. Review pixel width for each field. Every column has a fixed pixel width. This helps you understand how much horizontal space each selected field will consume. Monitor the total pixel usage bar. At the top, a visual bar shows the total pixel width used by your selected columns. If the bar stays within the page limit, the layout is valid. If you exceed the limit, you can remove or reorder fields to maintain a clean format. As you make changes, the preview updates to show which fields will appear in the final export. These tools ensure your report fits perfectly on the page without cutting off text or overflowing into the margins. Once your layout feels complete and well organized, click Save. Your configuration will now be applied to all future report downloads. Step 4. Download a report to see it in action. Once your report configuration is saved, it is automatically applied across Zeo. You can download reports using either of the following flows. Option 1. Download from the Routes tab. Go to the Routes tab from the dashboard. Select the route you want to export and download the report. Zeo will generate the file using your saved report configuration. When the report opens, you will see the selected columns, order, and layout exactly as configured in Settings. Option 2. Download from the playground. Alternatively, open the playground and navigate to the routes view. Choose the required route and go to the routes options to download the report. The report will follow the same saved configuration without requiring any additional setup. In both cases, the downloaded report reflects your predefined format, ensuring consistency across all route exports. That's it. With custom route report configuration, you decide what your reports look like once, and Zeo applies it automatically every time. This gives you consistent, clear, and professional reports without any repeated manual cleanup. Thank you for using the Zeo Route Planner.